In my last video, we learned how to make a bill while selling some items. So, the way Kiran used to make a bill and give it to her uh, the junk sellers, right? Now, children, Kiran would collect lot of junk, and this junk she used to go and sell to a wholesaler junk seller, and that wholesaler junk seller would give some extra money to Kiran. And today we are going to learn how Kiran used to make her profit.
Okay, children. Now, Kiran used to buy junk from the small junk sellers, those junk sellers who come on the cycle and collect the junk from our houses. So, Kiran used to buy junk from those junk sellers. And after buying the junk from those junk sellers, she used to sell it to Dinu. And Dinu was a wholesaler. It means he was a bigger shopkeeper than Kiran. He was a wholesaler. Okay. Now see, beta, this is Dinu's rate list. How much would Dinu pay to Kiran for different kind of junk? This is Dinu's rate list. So for waste paper, Dinu would pay rupees 5 for 1 kg. And Kiran wanted to sell 23 kilograms of waste paper. Price of 1 kg is rupees 5. Price of 2 kg would be rupees 10. Price of 3 kg would be rupees 15. Price of 4 kg would be rupees 20. So what are we doing? We are adding rupees 5 as many times as the number of kilograms of waste paper is there. So repeated addition means multiplication. So if Kiran has to sell 23 kilogram of waste paper, the amount which Dinu will pay to Kiran, we can calculate by multiplying 23 by 5. So 23 multiplied by 5 is equal to rupees 115. So Kiran would get rupees 115 for 23 kilogram of waste paper. Same way, children, for 1 kilogram newspaper, Dinu would pay rupees 6. Now Kiran had collected 42 kilogram newspaper from the junk sellers. So she wanted to sell 42 kilograms of newspaper. So the amount she will get will be 42 multiplied by 6. That is equal to rupees 252. Now, iron. Now, old iron things and old iron material Dinu would buy at the rate of rupees 14 per kilogram. If anyone would give 1 kilogram of iron things to Dinu, he would in turn give rupees 14 to the person. Now, Kiran wanted to sell 12 kilogram of iron. So, she would get 12 multiplied by 14, which is equal to rupees 168. Brass. Dinu would pay rupees 180 for 1 kilogram brass. So Kiran wanted to sell 4 kilogram brass. So To find out how much money she will get, she will multiply 180 by 4, and the answer is rupees 720. For old plastic, Dinu would pay rupees 12 for 1 kilogram plastic. So for 22 kilogram plastic, which Kiran has collected, Kiran would be paid 22 multiplied by 12 equal to rupees 264. Now children, this is the money which Dinu paid to Kiran. This Kiran got from Dinu. Now let us see in the next slide what is the profit Kiran made. Okay, in this slide children, this column, it shows the buying price of Kiran from the small junk sellers. You remember those small junk sellers used to come to Kiran and sell different kind of junk? So this is the buying price of Kiran. It means this money was given by Kiran to the junk sellers to buy all these things. And this is the selling price of Kiran. It means the junk was sold by Kiran to Dinu and she got this money, right? Okay. Now she bought old waste paper for rupees 92. And when she sold it, she got rupees 115. Now, how much money she has earned? How much extra money she has got, beta? What are we going to do? We are going to subtract 92 from 115. So, 115 minus 92, the answer is rupees 23. So, by selling waste paper, Kiran earned rupees 23. Okay. Now, Kiran bought newspaper for rupees 210, the old newspapers. And when she sold, she got rupees 252 from Dinu. See, she got more money. So let us see how much money she has earned. 252 minus 210 is equal to rupees 42. So by selling old newspapers, Kiran got rupees 42. Okay. Now when Kiran bought old items made of iron from the junk sellers, she had to pay rupees 144 to those people. And when she sold those iron items to Dinu, she got rupees 168. See, she got more and she gave less. So naturally, she had a profit. She earned the money. How much money did she earn? 168 minus 144 is equal to rupees 24. Now brass. Kiran gave rupees 680 when she bought old brass items from the junk seller. And those items, when she sold to Dinu, she got rupees 720. So her earning is 720 minus 680 is equal to rupees 40. Okay, now old plastic items which were broken and old, those items, when she purchased from the junk sellers, she paid rupees 220 to them. And when she sold to Dinu, she got rupees 264. More money. So how much did she earn? 264 minus 220 equal to rupees 444. The answer is rupees 44. See children, how enterprising is Kiran, that she has studied only till class 8, and in spite of that she is running her own shop and she is earning money. So how self-sufficient Kiran is. We all must learn lessons from her. That's all for today, children. Thank you and have a nice day.